Hello, real estate professionals. Today, we're looking into an innovative approach to redefining realtor marketing with the integration of one QR codes on yard signs. Picture your traditional signs transformed into interactive experiences for potential buyers. One QR goes beyond being a mere code. It's a dynamic brand statement. Envision your yard signs evolving into sleek, captivating reflections of your unique brand, seamlessly incorporating technology into your marketing strategy. Concerned about size limitations? One QR effortlessly merges with your yard signs, enhancing their visual appeal without compromising style. The perfect blend of sophistication and functionality. Let's focus on functionality. When a potential visitor scans a one QR code on your yard sign, they instantly receive specific information relevant to that property. It's like having a personalized tour guide in the palm of their hands. The game changer? The dynamic QR code. One code, countless possibilities, all with the impact of the same yard sign. Your potential visitors can now explore various destinations. Straight to the property information, a virtual tour, stunning photos, or floor plans. You control the destination. It's a simple solution to ensure they receive precise details about the property they're interested in. In conclusion, one QR on yard signs is your secret weapon. Elevate your personal brand and streamline your selling potential. Ready to elevate your real estate game? Invest in one QR. With one QR, the evolution of real estate marketing is happening now. Best of luck in your sales endeavors.